Founded in 1969, McBrady Engineering has over 30 years of experience in the container cleaning industry. We have successfully assisted in developing various applications for the food, beverage, and pharmaceutical industries. Our business center is located in Joliet, Illinois. We have additional sales representatives in Australia, Asia, South America, Europe, and in over 40 cities throughout the continental United States and Canada. McBrady's product line begins with the Orbit bottle cleaner rinsers. Their unique designs can rinse the interiors of glass, metal, plastic, or composite containers by air, vacuum, water, steam, or any combination of the four. The Orbit bottle cleaner rinsers can be mounted on your existing conveyor system or can be supplied with its own conveyor. Containers travel along the conveyor and pass into the machine's rotor, with each bottle being contained in its own pocket. The bottles are then cleaned while inverted from the 10 o'clock to the 2 o'clock positions. Bottles are rinsed through individual stainless steel tubes that are inserted into the neck of the container. Jars and cans are rinsed from stationary nozzles while inverted. As each container returns to the 6 o'clock position, a discharge guide carefully returns the bottles to the conveyor. One of our best-selling machines, the model HS600 Gripper Cleaner Rinser, is available as either an air cleaner or water rinser. This machine's success has been that it stands only 50 inches high, giving it a very low profile. During the transfer process, containers are held by soft rubber fingers that hold and stabilize each bottle with firm control and smooth operation. These rubber grippers can handle most all containers and sizes. The model HS600 features no change parts, less than 3-minute changeovers, and the plexiglass top enclosure provides full visibility of the in-feed and discharge. Positive transfer in and out of the rinser allows bottles to travel smoothly from the in-feed to discharge conveyors. The conveyor automatically resets when speeds change. An optional AC inverter drive provides variable and low-speed operation with soft starting and stopping. The machine has speed capabilities of up to 600 containers per minute and is available in 8, 10, 12, 15, or 20-foot sizes. McBrady dusters are designed to dust cans, bottles, or other containers prior to labeling or packing. Each container requires special attention based on size, shape, or contents, and as a result, different cleaning methods are necessary. McBrady models present specific advantages to accommodate specific container cleaning problems and needs. Each duster uses compressed ionized air and combines brushing and vacuuming with container spinning to quickly remove dirt, powder, and debris. The first of our dusters is the McBrady Model 22 Side Duster, which cleans the sides of containers and bottles. A horizontal belt-type brush and a cylindrical brush provides continuous cleaning action. Both brushes mount on an existing line conveyor for efficient dust removal. The Model 22 features 5-minute changeovers and has speed capability of up to 400 containers per minute. The Model 23 duster was designed to clean the sides, top, and/or bottom of various containers. This machine is capable of cleaning 10 cc pharmaceutical vials to 1-gallon size containers. The Model 23 duster mounts over the line conveyor for side and top cleaning and has a gap between conveyors for bottom cleaning. This duster is capable of cleaning 400+ containers per minute. For most applications, the Model 23 occupies only 48 inches of line space. McBrady's outside vial washers and dryers are the best machines available. With line speed capabilities of 500 vials per minute, the McBrady Model 40 will wash, rinse, and dry exteriors of vials and ampules, leaving containers bone dry and contamination free. The Model 40 vial washer dryers can be built to accommodate a single, 4, 6, 8, or 10 pass sequence. A toolless changeover and positive airflow are just a few of the features and advantages of the Model 40 vial washer dryer. The single-pass McBrady Model 40 vial rinser has 3 conveyor configuration options: tilting air manifolds, a zigzag vial pass design, and an optional regenerative blower. The single-pass Model 40 features positive airflow circulation and exhaust with trouble-free operation. The Model 40 single pass has line speeds from 50 to 100 vials per minute and is very compact at 60 inches wide by 84 inches long. Finally, the McBrady Model 40 8 or 10 pass is designed to provide all of the features of the 6-pass model, but with 2 or 4 more passes for higher washing, rinsing, and drying capabilities. Vials and ampules can be seen for inspection during all phases of operation. This model has line speeds from 200 to 500 vials per minute. The 8-pass Model 40 is 43 inches wide by 56 inches deep, and the 10-pass Model 40 is 54 inches wide by 68 inches deep. McBrady Engineering specializes in the manufacturing of bottle cleaning and rinsing equipment, and we are committed to fulfilling your needs. Our commitment is why we are able to provide our customers with the best designs and most effective customer support. Since 1969, this has been our goal. Our staff provides prompt service with assistants and accessible engineers ready to assist in any need that should arise. Since McBrady is a family-owned business, we understand the importance of keeping in contact with our customers. After a sale, we'll follow up on the operation status of your machines and make sure you are completely satisfied. To learn more about McBrady Engineering, visit our website at www.mcbradyengineering.com. Contact us by phone at 815-744-8900 or by fax at 815-744-8901. Feel free to call us anytime. When you work with McBrady, you can be confident that you are working with the best.